So one of the reasons why I bought oil, this oil dispenser for that has the spray feature is this one, our iron cast pan. So what I usually do is I I spread oil all over the pan after Kay has cleaned the pan because I noticed that if I am going to put oil on it, then it would prevent the rust formation on this cast iron. So I'm gonna show it to you how it is going to be done. All right. So this is the iron cast. Previously, what I did was I just pour oil here, and then after pouring, I used this rubber brush, and then spread it all over here. And I'm hoping now with the spray is I don't have to I don't have to use this anymore, and then it could also save us time on washing this one. So okay, I'm just gonna do it right now. Okay, whoa, see? Oh, okay. So the harder you push actually is the the wider the spread is. So there are areas here that doesn't have the oil anymore or yet. No oil yet. Oh, there you go. See? So it is faster now, and then there. So successful. The I found the perfect usage of this already. This is the result of spraying the oil over the iron cast pan. So as you can see, it was spread all over, and then I didn't have to use the that rubber brush, and thus it saves us time on washing and also the effort on brushing the or spreading the oil all over the iron cast pan. So I am not sure that it is really 100% that it will prevent the rust formation on the iron cast pan, but as far as my experience and as far as my observation, the rust formation is being prevented or maybe at least lessened, and you won't see any evident or any significant rust formation over the iron cast pan. So if you have other solutions out there on how to prevent rust formation on the iron cast pan, let me know in the comment section below so that everyone should know, and then I'll create a video out of it and see if that is really an effective one.